as we go into the forest, there are a lot of plants that produce berries.
Go on our hike.
A crack on the tree. There's here and on the other side going on up. Any guesses? Lightning? Usually the number one answer is lightning. However, it's incorrect. Now think Alaska.
It froze.
Freezing. Yeah. And earthquakes is also another good guess. A lot of people guess earthquake. There is no pollution in the forest at all. In our air, we have no pollution in our air because lichen would not exist if we did. On the trees, you'll see this crustose lichen. You'll see some, they were in this area about 10,000 years ago was the Wisconsin Ice Age. Totally covered this area. In fact, the roots on that big old tree do not go down like tap roots. They spread out because of that real rocky soil. And escalator system, it picked up these rocks and then just kind of dumped them, leaving those jagged edges. But on this rock, two hemlocks were growing. Unfortunately, they didn't survive in this case, but you could see that root. So as you're walking into this area, we were just talking about the plant on the ground that has either four. Exactly like
We're still on the trail.
Underneath. And of course, they're getting the moisture. But they actually did a test on it, and it's about 200 years old and doing very well. Sort of reminds me of it. Is that tree that's sort of, there's two of them right there. They look like little Christmas trees. That's mountain hemlock. Remember, we had western hemlock in the forest. But it's certainly, you know, in some cases the tree is decomposing, but it has to do with a lot of other factors. The forest, it's mainly made up of two kind of mosses. We have a stair-step moss, and each little step is a year's growth, and then we have a pipe cleaner moss. And both of these mosses, of course, they're non-vascular. I can put them right back in the ground and they keep right on growing.
What do you have?